Hello everyone, we are back. So we continue with the non-experimental research designs. Today we will look at correlational research design and some call it quasi-experiment. So what is correlational research design? In correlational studies, we infer relationships. So what is correlational design? This is a type of research design that is interested to establish degree and direction of relationships. Please mark the word degree and directions of relationships. They are not majorly able to infer causations. I will explain what we mean causalities. You know, when you say if I pinch you, you'll cry, and then I manipulate your mood by pinching you, and we check your mood to know whether you cry or laugh or normal, right? This is, if you cried or any other thing, we can conclude that this pinching was the reason for your crying. But in correlational studies, we are not able to do that because they don't have ability to control for some things. Because you know, when I pinched you, there might be many other reasons why you cried. There may be many other reasons. Maybe you've not eaten for the day. Maybe you don't have, let me not mention them, right? There's a lot of things you might be going through that could be a reason for that crying, not the pinching, right? So only experimental design is able to do that, but we'll consider that later. Inferring causation or causal relationship. In here, we are not interested in that causal relationship. What caused what? In correlational studies, we are interested in just establishing what is the direction of that relationship. To which degree do they relate? In correlational research, we look at the coefficient, correlation coefficient is -1 and +1. Within this, -1 is a perfect score, +1 is perfect score. It must be within -1 and +1. Anything away from that is not correlation. So that is, please, I've mentioned what is correlation coefficient, -1 or +1. That is the coefficient. And again, what we should look out for in this correlational study and must have to understand is the types of correlation. We have 3: positive correlation, negative correlation, and no or zero correlation. 3 of them: positive, negative, and zero correlation. So these are the 3 types of correlations. In positive correlation, the direction of relationship goes the same way. The direction of relationship goes the same way. Increase in study leading to increase in academic performance. That is the same direction. Increase. Decrease in study leading to decrease in academic performance, right? That is still what? Positive correlation. Decrease. Everything is going the same direction, whether increase or decrease. Please take notes so you don't confuse yourself with that, right? I think we are good with that. Then to negative correlation, they go different direction. Increase in exercise leading to what? Decrease in body weight, or yes, body size. Let me use that word. That is increase, decrease. Another one, increased sleep time to decreased academic performance. That is negative also. So where there is an increase to a decrease leading to decrease in this, that is negative. Or decrease in this, in study time, then increase in failure. Okay, I'm just trying to make sense of that, right? Decrease, increase, right, is negative. Now in zero correlation or no correlation, this occurs, or type of relationship that there is no significant relationship between the 2 variables, right? the two variables do not relate in any way. This is because at this point, imagine when you say increase in shoe size is related to, not increase in shoe size, that shoe size is related to time of sleep, or the body size, or let me use the word sleep quality. You are not wearing the shoe, but you are trying to tell us that people that wear big shoe size will sleep better. Oh no, come on. There is no relationship in that. So I'm just use that for example to explain when we say no or zero correlation, right? Yes, so this is correlational study, and it is able to infer relationships but not causal relationships. Establish degree and direction of relationships. That is correlational study. For this course, you are good to go with what I'm saying, and you must pick them one after the other. Okay, now let's quickly talk about quasi-experiment. In as much as we have not done experimental design, but we understand that in experimental design there is a need to manipulate a variable. Like if I pinch, you cry, right? We said that means that pinching is me trying to be able to manipulate your mood, right? To manipulate your mood. In that situation, I can check the outcome, right? In quasi-experiment, the word quasi, Q-U-A-S-I, it means false experiment. So quasi-experiment is not able to manipulate. Quasi-experiment only take advantage of manipulated environments.